Hi everyone, welcome to this beginner's lesson on learning school tools in English language. If you are new to our learning program or just starting to learn English, this lesson is for you. Today, we will go over some of the most common school tools in English and how to use them. Firstly, let's start with classroom. A classroom is a learning space in which found in educational institutions. The classroom provides a suitable space and environment for learning. Next, the teacher. A teacher is a person who teaches, especially in a school. Student. A student is a person who is studying at a school or other educational institution. Desk. The desk is a table often with drawers. It's a surface especially for writing and reading or drawing. Chair. The chair is a separate seat for one person, typically with a back and four legs. Bag. Bag is a flexible container used for carrying things like books, tools. Books. A book is a medium for recording information in the form of writing, drawings, or pictures. Notebook. Notebooks are also an essential tool for school. They come in different sizes, styles, and types. You can find notebooks with lines for writing, graph paper for drawing, and blank pages for sketching. It's important to choose the right type of notebook for your needs. Paper. Paper is a thin sheet material. Paper is a thin material made of pulp of wood or other fibrous substances, used for printing on, writing or drawing. Pencil. Pencils are an essential tool for writing and drawing. They come in different types and sizes, but the most common ones are graphite and colored pencils. Graphite pencils are used for writing and drawing, while colored pencils are used for adding color to your work. Color pencils. A color pencil is an instrument consisting of a thin stick of wax, or oil-based or a similar substance enclosed in a long thin piece of wood with varying color that is used for coloring or drawing. Crayon. Crayon is a pencil or stick of colored of wax with varying color that is used for coloring or drawing. Pen. Pens are used for writing and come in different colors and styles. The most common types of pens are ballpoint, rollerball, and fountain pens. Ballpoint pens are the most popular and are used for everyday writing. Rollerball pens use a gel ink that provides a smoother writing experience, while fountain pens use a nib and ink that give your writing a classic look. Eraser. Erasers are used to remove mistakes made with pencils. You can find different types of erasers, such as rubber and kneaded erasers. Rubber erasers are used for general erasing, while kneaded erasers are used for delicate work and can be shaped to suit your needs. Sharpener. Sharpener, a device used to sharpen pencils. Rulers. Rulers are used for measuring and drawing straight lines. They come in different lengths and styles, but the most common ones are plastic and metal rulers. Plastic rulers are more flexible and lightweight, while metal rulers are more durable and provide a straighter edge. Stapler. Stapler, a device used for joining sheets of paper with a staple. Glue. Glue is an adhesive liquid used for sticking paper for objects together. Scissor. Scissor is an instrument used for cutting papers and other material. Last but not least, we have paper pin. Paper pin is a piece of bent wire or plastic used for holding several papers together. Please repeat with me. Teacher. Student. Desk. Chair. Bag. Books. Notebook. Paper. Pencil. Color pencils. Crayon. Pen. Eraser. Sharpener. Stapler. Glue. Scissor. Paper pin. That's it for today's lesson on learning school tools in English language. Remember, choosing the right tools is important for your success in school. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English lessons.